Hey guys, while we were changing the battery on our Autel Ultra scan tool, I decided to record the process. The video starts with the scanner already disassembled, but you'll still get a clear understanding of how to take it apart and put it back together. For disassembling, you'll just have to reverse the instructions. Anyways, let's get into it. We already removed the battery because the scan tool was glitching and it was sometimes just showing 0% on the scan tool, or the percentage was just jumping all over the place. So we already installed the new battery. To take off the old one, you have to unscrew all these bolts over here and then remove this cable. Now we're going to be assembling everything back. This is the back side of the scan tool, and then this is the screen side. Here you have two cables go here, and then this one goes over here. We're going to be assembling now, and you can see how we do it. We have a few clips on the top and bottom that keep the whole case in place, and now we're ready to connect the cables. Okay, we connected all the cables, two over here and then the main one over here. Okay, now we're going to power it on for testing. Okay, it's showing 76%. Now we're going to be putting all the bolts back. So we got two bolts over here. And same thing on the other side, also two bolts. Now we have four bolts under the lever. And now we're going to be putting these rubber pieces. To unscrew the bolts, you have to remove the rubber pieces first. And also there's nothing under the sticker, so don't touch it. Also, we have two bolts under these covers, one over here and one over here. Now we're ready to put the side covers back. And it says on them if it's left or right. L, R, so this one's left, this one's right. And they just clip in. So to reach the bolts, you need to first take off the cover. All that's left is to screw in 10 bolts on the back side of the scan tool. And we're done assembling the scan tool. Looks like everything's working all right. Done with this, and we got the battery online for $145, tax included. And as a bonus, we decided to open the battery pack to see what's actually inside. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.